Everyone, I am back with a happy mail video. I have been so spoilt this week. Honestly, I've had lots of happy mail arrive this week, and I don't know. Oh my gosh, it's like Christmas every day. Now, this happy mail is from the lovely Chris Mortimer, and I think you remember going back a few videos ago, I did have a wonderful box of goodies from her not too long ago, and this come in the post today. So let's have a look, and I'll show you exactly what she has sent. And the bag did come open a little bit, so I hope nothing fell out. So if there's something I haven't shown, it's because it's fallen out. So we have these. Oh look, they're like little bags of shells. Oh, I don't have any shells actually. Be interesting to see what I could make with them. I've got pink ones and then these little grey ones. Look how tiny these little shells are. They're very different. Now this is her, I have looked at this. This is her entry for the March subby giveaway. So I'm going to put this to one side and I'm going to do a separate video for the entries that I've got, because I have got a couple to show. So I'm going to put this aside and I'll show you this in another video. Oh my gosh, look at the stamp set. This is an indigo blue stamp set. Oh, look at this. You'll never know how strong you are until strong is the only choice you have. Never mind searching for who you are. Search for the person you aspire to be. She made broken look beautiful and strong look invincible. She walked with the universe on her shoulders and made it look like a pair of wings. Isn't that beautiful? You don't have to be perfect to be amazing. Oh, I just love these words on here, and these look butterfly. Oh, what a beautiful stamp set. I love the angel wings as well. I'm very spiritual. Oh, this is gorgeous. Thank you so much, Chris. And look, oh, look at these. I cut out die cut butterflies. I do love my butterflies. There's a couple of sheets of those, and they are very vintage looking. They will definitely get used. Oh, another stamp set. Oh, this is cute. Look at this little, like, it's not a clown, is he? A magician. Well, he's kind of a magician clown. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, and then look, a pocket for one of my journals. That's a lot of fun as well. Look at this, with a little zip on. How cute is that? That is very cute. Oh, I think we have some more die cuts here with the birdies, and oh look, more butterflies and flowers. So I can't help but pop these out when I get die cuts. I have to pop them all out. Oh, there's my lovely card. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. I'm going to use that in a journal. Bless her. That's just gorgeous. It's going to go with my card collection. Oh, what are these? Oh, these are very interesting. Look, these sheets of glittery, I don't know what you call them. They're thicker. They're not cards. They're like rubbery. All these different glittery. Oh, look at those. We just love a bit of bling, don't we? Oh, gosh, I've got so many goodies to play with. And what is in here? Oh, look at all these. Oh, I love that. Look at that. It's like a tile piece with a little lady on and a little blingy bit. Oh, lots of sheets of embellishments. Look at all these yummy flowers and leaves. Oh, I love that colour. Oh, green, my favourite colour. Oh, green flowers and blue flowers, and oh, the silver ones are lush as well. Look at all these goodies. Oh my goodness me, I'm too spoiled for words. Look at all these lovely embellishments I've got to play with. Oh, thank you so much, Chris. You spoil me so very much. You really, really, really do. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I have so many goodies to go off and play with that I don't know what to do with myself. Now look at these. Oh, I'm going to have to figure out somewhere to put all these lovely goodies. So hopefully in the next week or so I will have some videos with some of my happy mail goodies that I've received this week. Thank you to everyone. You are just the kindest and I am so blessed. Thank you all so very much. Love you guys, and I shall see you all very, very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.